Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to uninstall games from Microsoft Store. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to uninstall your games from your desktop or laptop, then I will show you how to do this. In this, first what to do, you have to just click on this start menu, or you can just directly go for Microsoft Store. After opening the Microsoft Store, in left side you will find library. Click on that. In this you will find games. Click on that. Here you can see here 3 dot. Click on that. After clicking the 3 dot, you can see there is no uninstall option in this. So for this, what you have to do, you have to just close this window, click on start menu, then click on the settings, then in left side you will find apps. Click on that, then click on installed apps. In this you need to search for your installed game. Click on this 3 dot, then click on uninstall, then click on uninstall again. After clicking uninstall, your games will be removed. That's it guys. So in this way you can uninstall games on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.